Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to save Chrome WebP images as JPEG. Right-click Save Image As. Click Save. Click Show in Folder. Right-click, Open with Paint. Click File Save As. Select any type. Click Save. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.